Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the field of cosmetic surgery. Let's break down this word to better understand its meaning and pronunciation. We may pronounce it as breast augmentation. Breast augmentation. Breast, augmentation. Breast augmentation. Breast augmentation is crucial in cosmetic surgery, helping individuals to enhance the size and shape of their breasts for aesthetic or reconstructive purposes. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about breast augmentation, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.